You might think this is just a simple photo editing app, but it's not. Lightroom is one of the best photo editing software available for mobile and computers. On Google Play, Lightroom has a rating of 4.5 from 2 million user votes and 100 million downloads. Let's go. One of the great features of Lightroom is that it organizes photos by the year they were taken and displays them to you. Next, when we open a photo for editing, we see 5 different options and menus in the toolbar at the bottom. The first option is named Presets, which includes 3 tabs for itself. First, Yours. This includes presets that you have added to the program. The next tab, Premium, includes presets that are pre-installed by the program, and you can use them. These include presets suitable for different seasons, cinematic, black and white, portrait, sky, and various other presets. Next is Recommended, which is one of the best options in Lightroom. In this section, the program searches for suitable presets based on your photo and suggests them to you. The next section is Crop. In this section, you can reduce the size of your photo, change its angle, or adjust the image size, or you can change your photo using the program's preset angles through aspect or rotate it. With the Flip option, you can also make changes to your photo. The next section is Edit. One of the most complete and best parts of this program is the Edit section, which includes many tabs. In this section, there are exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, whites, blacks. With these, we make the photo's light more correct. The next section is Color, where you can change the color, the degree of coolness and warmth, and tint, or turn the photo into black and white. Or even in the Grading section, achieve the desired color by combining colors. Through Mix, we control all the colors of the photo, which allows us to manipulate the color combination and make the photo more attractive. The next section is called Blur, which can be used to blur the background of the subject. The next section, Effects. In it, you can increase the texture of the photo, or give the photo more black and white, or increase the photo's noise with gain. The next menu is called Masking, which when selected, we can access the suggested menu. For example, when we choose Select Subject, when our subject turns red, it means that any changes we make will only occur in that red area. And the last option is Healing, which by selecting it and choosing the appropriate brush size, removes any extra things from the photo, like wrinkles in clothes. One of the best photo editing apps I want to show you next is called Snapseed. On Google Play, Snapseed has a rating of 4.3 from 1 million user votes and 100 million downloads. When you import a photo into the app, 3 options appear at the bottom. The first option is Styles. It has various ready-made and edited effects and styles with different names and themes. However, the only drawback is that when you choose a style, you can't adjust its intensity. You're forced to use 100% of that effect on your photo. In my opinion, this can be a bit bad. The next section is called Tools. There are so many options and features in this section that I don't know where to start for you. From Tune Image, where you can specify the light, color, and the degree of warmth or coolness of the photo, to Crop, Detail, Perspective, Expand, Healing, Portrait, Lens Blur, Vignette, Vintage, Head Pose, and so on. It has all the features that Lightroom had, even additional ones like Portrait and Expand, or several other modes. The last menu option is called Export. which outputs the photo in several different ways for you. And now, the third and final program that I intend to introduce to you in this video is once again from Adobe. This program, like Lightroom on Google Play, has the Editor's Choice badge. On Google Play, Adobe Photoshop has a rating of 4.6 from 2 million user votes and 100 million downloads. Let's go. When we add a photo for editing to the program, we are faced with such a menu on the bottom bar of the screen. The first section is called Looks. Unlike the previous program, Snapseed, when we select an effect or preset here, we can adjust its intensity or percentage. The next option is Adjustments, which gives us complete control over editing light, color, sharpness, vibrance, and more. A good option that this section has that allows us to choose from this section. The changes we apply can be made to a specific part of the photo, and it can usually select and mask the subject or background for us, though not perfectly. In the subsequent parts of Adjustments, we see Split Tone, Color Mix, Blur, Vignette, Optics, and more. All these menus are accessible in the best possible way. The next menu is Heal, which I think even works better than the previous two programs. It comes in two modes, Basic and Advanced. In the Advanced section, we have control over size, opacity, and feather. The next option is Crop, just like the previous two programs, which cuts the photos either manually or according to the predefined sizes of other platforms. It also has the ability to rotate and transform. The following menu is Background, where the program initially selects the area around the subject, and even then, you can manually reduce or add to the selected area. The next menu is Overlays, one of the best features of Photoshop. Access to a large number of overlays with different tastes, and we even have the option to reduce the intensity of that effect. The following menu is Text, where we can design our writing with various styles. The next menu is Stickers, which allows us to add them to the photo according to our taste. The next one is called Borders. Its job is to assign ready-made templates to our photos and use them around the photo cover. The last menu option is called Eyes, which can remove red eye in our photos and even fix any issues with animal eyes in the photos. Thanks for watching this episode. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.